Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video we will learn how to rectify this page, or at least you can say sometimes it may happen that you are trying to start a Laravel server but it does not start and you see this type of page. Okay, so we'll see how to solve this problem. Okay, so this is the very common problem and it is very easy to resolve. Okay, all you have to do is find out which server is running. The problem occurs because there are two servers cannot be run on the same port usually. Okay, so right now I have installed this Apache server to demonstrate this problem. Okay, now our Apache server is running. Okay, so if I stop this server, then the problem should be solved. Okay, so this is my Laravel project. Okay, now I will show you what is the problem exactly. So if I say cell up -t, you will see this type of error that the port it is already occupied. As you can see, it is already in used and the Laravel cannot make use of that. So if we refresh, our Laravel page will not come. To solve this problem, what you can do is you can identify which server is running. Usually there are two servers, Nginx and Apache 2. In my case it is Apache 2. Okay, but you can check service Apache 2 status. As you can see, it is right now active. All we have to do is stop that server. So what we'll do, service Apache 2 stop. You can also use the systemctl command if you're comfortable with that. It will ask for the password, and once we type the password, it will stop the Apache 2 server. Okay. Let's wait till it finishes. Now if we try to check the status, service Apache 2 status, as you can see, now it is not loaded and it is inactive. So let's see. Now we'll try to rerun our server. So you may need to run this cell down command, but for most part it should work. Just to type cell up -t, same command. Now it started successfully. Now if we go to our Chrome page and refresh it, as you can see, we are seeing our Laravel page. Okay, so this is a very common problem. Okay, so if you are not using Apache 2 server, you may wish to uninstall that. Otherwise you can just stop the other server first and then start with your regular Laravel servers. Okay, so let me just stop this, and in my case I have just installed the Apache 2 server to show you the demo. So what I'll do is I uninstall the Apache 2 server. So it is very easy, sudo apt remove Apache 2, then press enter. It will ask for the password, supply the password and press enter, then press Y for the confirmation and enter. Now it should uninstall the server, Apache 2 server. Now if I type service Apache 2 status, as you can see, it is masked but it is not loaded. Okay, then we can also do a sudo apt remove Apache 2 - or -- purge. This will delete the configuration files or any other traces of the Apache 2. Now if we try to run the same command, you can see Apache 2 service could not be found. Okay, so that's it guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. In the next video we will work on our demo project, that is to-do list. So thank you.